afternoon. It's a beautiful summer day here in Lakeland, Florida. You can see what is behind me. A beautiful two-story on a third of an acre, Southeast Lakeland, cul-de-sac location. We're gonna go check out this property and wait until you see the backyard offering this home has. Let's go check it out. All right, so we are at 6501 Fox Tree. I want to show you the curb appeal. You can see, gorgeous home, love the elevation. On a cul-de-sac, nice and quiet. Got the Amazon guy down there getting ready to head on down. We have the Amazon facility right here in Lakeland. So we get Prime sometimes within hours. So if you're an Amazon fan, I don't know if you want to move to this area. I'm just saying, you're gonna get your package really quick. You swipe that finger, that's a whole other budget subject. Anyways, all right, let's look on Fox Tree here. You can see this home. The roof has been updated. Had some nice updates. Let's take a look at this. Flow and floor plan. Waiting on some clients now to come check it out again, but this is a formal area, perfect office. You can see the high ceiling, ceramic tile flooring, double windows, nice and quiet, fantastic location, growing area here in Southeast Lakeland, kind of on the outskirts because there's not a lot of land and places to build here, but you can see nice big dining room. All right, and then coming right this way, got a pretty fireplace. Like how they've got the pitched ceilings. And this flooring is all the way downstairs, so it's great for wear and tear and kids and pets. Look at this beautiful kitchen. Very nicely updated. Can you see the sparkles in the video? I'm not getting them here, but man, this is sparkling countertops. Comment sparkles if you can see them. It's hard for me to, there you go, I just saw one. All right, stainless steel appliances, nice open kitchen that did some nice modern updating. You can see the cabinets, Samsung range microwave, nice big farm sink, like the tile, the Subway tile backsplash. Stainless dishwasher, fridge, kitchen pantry. This is where we just looked. This is that dining room back into the front. So you kind of cozy all the way around. And then here's a big eat-in kitchen nook here. You could put a round table here. If you wanted to make that your dining area in back of us, you could make this a possible, I don't think I put an office actually, but maybe a desk or just a little sitting area here. Having your coffee overlooking this beautiful backyard, which I'll show you in a minute. 2-car garage to the right, nothing fancy there. Your laundry is downstairs, which is great. And then you can put the little farm door here. This is your half bath because you have to have a bathroom downstairs. You don't want to have to go upstairs to use the bathroom. Just saying. So upstairs, you're going to have 2 full baths. Your bedrooms are upstairs. We're going to look at that backyard in just a minute, but first, let's head upstairs. You can see they even made some nice updates in this. So this has all been done. They've, you've got Publix supermarket right up the road. You get the Polk County Parkway 5 minutes up the road. I'm gonna go straight. So bedroom, bath, primary suite, other bedroom. Let's go first to the primary suite. It is massive, nice views. Look at this. That's the backyard, yes, can you believe that? Look at the, right in back. That's looking south, if you're on the map. All right, so big primary suite, large walk-in closet, huge. There's some shelving behind here too. You could put towels or shoes or what have you. And so this bathroom has got some nice updates too. You can see the countertop, and then your shower. The shower here with the curtain, and then it does have the tub with the obscure glass. Let me give you a better shot. So it is double sinks, and they painted the cabinets. So they've done some nice updates on this home. Love the natural light here. Here's our stairs straight ahead. So this bedroom, you can see it's got the nice neutral flooring. It looks to be LVP flooring. Double closets, big window overlooking that backyard, which we're heading there in just a second. Here's your full bath with a tub shower combination. Okay, and then we'll head back out and we're gonna see this bedroom next. We're having a beautiful day here in Florida today, Central Florida. If you're thinking about moving to this area, we need to chat. Our home values are still very reasonable, and we are right between Tampa and Orlando, and our pricing is much better than those bigger cities. All right, let's go take a look at this backyard. Massive screen lanai. Wow. Fenced backyard. Let me kick around this way. Look at the size of this. Isn't that nice? It's huge. All right, one of my favorite things to do. See these little guys? You don't get them all the time, but they're around. Oh, this guy knows I'm gonna thump him. No, I'm just gonna knock him. Ready? Oh, he's too high. I don't wanna... Oh no, if he was more level here, what you do is you do this, you thump, and then they go flying. It's just kind of like bungee jumping for the lizards. Man, I wish I had one here I could show you. I know you didn't plan on this kind of entertainment when you watch my channel, but if this guy comes down, I can't thump him from up there because I don't want to do anything to the screen, but we're gonna come back. All right, extra footage. All right, let's keep going. So, beautiful backyard. I mean, these guys put some time and money in this backyard. It is very pretty. Wow. The lights out here, I can't imagine this at night. Look at this. Very nice. It's a nice sanctuary. We'll be doing weddings right back there. So it's all rock, and then this goes to your air conditioner on the outside. You know, your air handler, your compressor out here, the air handler is usually inside in the garage or up in the attic area. 2 parts. It's running good because I did turn the air down. So this is a Smith built. That's got a pretty cool shed area here. We're going to show you inside of this Smith built shed. One of the more interesting sheds you're going to see. Okay, this has some serious artwork done. Gravity isn't a leash. There's some deep thoughts, but man, check this out. I get the picture they're painting here. It's got a split air system in it. It's got luxury vinyl plank flooring. They've got this kind of brick looking wallpaper, some shelving. Look at this lighting. This is probably one of the most different sheds you've ever seen, but pretty cool. What do you think it was used for? Drop a comment below. What would be your guess? I really don't know. Man cave, office? Your guess is as good as mine. Drop a comment below. Let's continue the tour. But I want to show you this backyard, and there's the top. So the top is going to be vinyl siding, and you can see the bottom here. But massive screen porch, beautiful area. Look at this backyard over here. Let's get over here and see this. So this is 1/3 of an acre. Again, in Southeast Lakeland. You don't get that a ton. It's hard to find that in an established neighborhood. And this is one small street. I don't know how many homes are here, not many, but it's at the dead end. There may be, I don't even know, 20, 30 homes here max. So it's really nice and private. There you go, Fox Tree, right over off Cruise Lake Road, Southeast Lakeland, 33813 zip code if you're curious and searching for homes. Thank you so much for joining me on this walkthrough video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Just remember this, whether selling or buying, you gotta call Brian. Thank you so much for tuning in to this walkthrough video on this Southeast Lakeland home. If you enjoyed this content, do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe to this channel whenever I drop more home walkthrough videos like this, or I've been dropping a lot of valuable content on moving into this area, selling homes, Central Florida, you name it. You're gonna get notified. So would love to connect with you, most importantly, about you and your family, helping you move to this area or even helping you sell your home and moving out of the area. Over 30 years experience, whether selling or buying, you gotta call Brian. Have a great day. God bless.